Niliata, Lincoln, Suri Silkep.
Sampung petsine, sing beche parong kolong asang tiajo etok ni nang men.
Kadom lang phe. Nepi alam ne jinghon chinam. Jutang hello, kheya raje. Lamer hello, kheya chithe. Kachito hello, kheya le. Isia khai dong si Renang ji pude jutang jubat lamer lamchong kenan sot binong. Hala bangso khelong jong si jutang jubat lamer lamchong awete khel bata hogune de ji. Aprang si binungwe rak nang kacitong dun abang pu bang pi lapel itum ning kacetena ning kang samai kang krung krang saya bang pu bang pi to adapan nilihin pen sengkan kimia gadom mate ajo kimia gadom nak bajeglo gadom nilimen thare babu sonrong phal nili kewang monsing tiarong langdelai aklap nili chali bomang deng ingdeng gray ini dibu go boys nili ata Lincoln, Suri Silkep. So, dia ita Lincoln Gray Silkep. Dia ita Lincoln Gray Silkep. Labuan di nilam de Ingon Nikolo Gadong. Nipi alam ni jinghon chinam jutang lo khaya le kachingan nilimen thare tongsa rongpi nili kewang lake dong muka handring leng rong pen nili ke chali lake thomno be college be third semester kai ke ni gang ke kan kilun nikai long ke mang lake inut modeler thank you
Cardon, the magnificent man of Bolongkomaji, A very good evening to our respected jury members and all the beautiful audience. I am Rohit Enghi from the beautiful town of Difu, Karbi Anglong. Currently, I am pursuing my graduation in Difu Government College at TTC 3rd semester. I am 20 years old and I am very much passionate about anything doing in my life, which make me a better version of myself. Above this, I love cooking, gardening and modeling. And I truly believe one should fashion his life with a garland of good deeds. So keep doing good, keep smiling and spread love. Thank you. Cardon.
That's the end of the first round, ladies and gentlemen. And alala tumnon kacisik para sapsapor nang lang pasikulo. So lasopor hud non itum lunijir arjupon nang lasi itum apan luna parju ponji abanghu itum apan dhan singing ti lasi dhan singing ti jong si cisik alo botang te prabjin peladak hong jai longan kibang je phase pachini go dhan singing ti las lapendel lo botang te itum second round tame ching ponek pikbo lasi kadok base tame chung hong ding nang lasi donatum. Are you guys still alive? I said, are you guys still alive? Do you want to see more? Do you want to see more like this? Alright. Nona bangke tum lunar judet nang ladet penopotang te tum puthor pang sing kon pinang. Chokedi? Okay, to.